Hi you guys, so I have these Shopkins that I purchased from Toys R Us, and this will be my first time even buying and opening Shopkins. So I'm super excited. I don't know what to expect. I have seen videos of people opening these up, and I do know they have a season 2 coming out in December, so I will try to get some of those as well. I really purchased these for my kids, so of course once I open them I will give these to them. So yep, here is the cute little packaging, and it just says season 1 Shopkins, and it's 2 of the little Shopkins figurines in this little basket. Here is the side, and there is the website, Shopkins World. Here is the other side and the back. Now this did have plastic on it. I had took it off, and you can actually use the basket for, I guess, other things. I don't know. So anyway, I have 11 of these Shopkins to open up. I did vlog myself at Toys R Us when I did the little toy haul. So if you do want to see that video, I will put a little box with a little clip of it, and you can click on it to watch the video. The video is on my Zeffy's World channel, so it is a vlog slash random channel. Anyway, so let me go ahead and start to open these things and show you all of the ones that I received. So I guess I could just tear right in it. Okay, there we go. Cute little basket. There's one. There's one, again. The paperwork. So anyway, this is showing you all the ones you can get. The fruit and veggie ones. Let's see. I'm sorry for any background noise you hear. The pantry. Bakery. Of course, I love all the bakery ones. And the sweet treats. And I guess you can just keep this and you can mark off the ones you have or whatever. Now, I can't really remember how much I paid for these Shopkins, but I think it was under $3 at Toys R Us. Now, this box says collect 148 to collect. That seems like a lot. But I guess you get 2 in the basket. So, go ahead and open up this one. I guess I should have brought some scissors. So I have this one, and I'm just going to lay them all out here and figure out what they are later. Because I have a lot to open up. And of course, if I get any duplicates, I will just either do a giveaway or whatever. Okay. So I have this one. Now, for some reason, I was thinking these were going to be like a little squishy, but no, it's just, it's a little flexible, but not squishy. I think I was thinking about the Fash'ems or Smash'ems. I think I'm going to try to hunt those down. I really want the My Little Pony Fash'ems. I wonder, are these pencil toppers, because they do have that little hole there. So it seems like you can probably put these on top of pencils. I don't know. I'm gonna try to make this video quick because I do have a lot to open. Or maybe I should just split it up. I don't know. So I have these two, super cute. This looks like a hot dog. Yes, it's a hot dog sausage. And like a little cake slice. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just open these, take all the plastic out, and then just take all of the yellow ones out, and then just show you what all I got. So this is gonna take forever, or maybe I just speed this portion up. I'm back, and I have already taken them all out of the little basket, and I have already made a little cut in the little packaging so it will be easier for me to open them. So let's go ahead and finish opening up the little Shopkins so I can see which ones I have. So, and I wanted to do close up on all of them, so just bear with me. So I have this one, and it says whip, super cute. And I love the colors. And yeah. And we have this one, and I guess I can look on the paper to actually see the names. And that will probably take longer. Yeah, I'll do that later. Maybe I'll do a separate video. Just, I don't know. So far, I don't have any duplicates. This cute little bow. And excuse my nails. I haven't even went to the nail salon yet. Now this looks like a blue piece of cheese. Now these are really cute. Like, I love the details on them. The painting seems to be really good as well. And I kind of want to keep these for myself. I'm not going to even lie. But, you know, my kids already have been asking for them. And they found out about Shopkins because of the commercial that's been coming on TV. So, yeah. They go around the house singing Shopkins. So when I brought them in the house, of course, they was like, "Oh, I want them." Now the plan was to have Harmony in here in the video to help me open them up, but yeah, my other two kids started arguing about it, so I was like, you know what? I'll just do it myself and just give them the toys, let them play with it. So so far I haven't seen any duplicates. Now this one is really cute. This one is a cake. I kind of want to go to Toys R Us after I do this video. I haven't been to Toys R Us. I went to Target to get these Shopkins, and I bought the last ones that they had. They don't sell these at Walmart because I've never seen them at Walmart. But I'm kind of sure that Walmart may end up getting them because lately, well, the Walmart where I'm at, they have been getting a lot of blind boxes and blind bags and stuff like that. So I wouldn't be surprised if I see Shopkins at Walmart. Ooh, a little toothbrush. And this one is cute. And it's flexible. A donut, and it's glittery. It has like little heart sprinkles on it. And the last one. So nope, I don't have any duplicates. But I do plan to get more Shopkins and, you know, do more videos. So let me just set it up so I can show you all the ones. Keep them for myself. Yep, I do, because they're super cute. So anywho, that is all for this video. I hope you like it. I do plan to do more Shopkins opening video because now I think I want to try to collect them all. And of course, if I do end up getting any duplicates, I will give them away. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and make sure to check out my other videos as well. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.